11-year-old Dušan Krtolica is a child prodigy artist from Serbia who creates mind-blowing drawings of wildlife. The 5th grade student at Laza Kostic school in New Belgrade first began to draw when he was only 2 years old. He has already had 3 national solo exhibitions to his name, the first 2 by the age of 8. Dušan's drawings are mostly pen and pencil works of various species of animals, both alive and extinct. He draws prehistoric animals, birds, insects, and also legendary knights. Dušan's knowledge of the animal world is remarkable. He knows about all the geological eras, and which animals roamed the earth during those periods. He knows all the 65 species of marsupials and can effortlessly recite their names. And when his parents bought him the most comprehensive encyclopedia of animals, it took him less than 3 weeks to learn it word for word. I would have studied animals and published a book about them, but I'm going to draw all of them, said Dušan, whose ambition is to become a zoologist when he grows up. According to Dušan, his first drawing looked like a whale. My parents did not pay much attention to it, but later I began to draw more and more, and I started to use huge amounts of paper a day, and then they realized that I had talent. Indeed, the young boy now goes through about 500 sheets of paper a week.